Question number 25. The perpendicular distance of point 2, minus 1, 4 from the line x plus 3 divided by 10 equals to y minus 2 divided by minus 7 equals to z divided by 1 lies between. We have given 4 options. So moving towards the figure, A point is given 2, minus 1, 4. And similarly, we can find direction ratios of point B, which is 10 lambda, 10 lambda minus 3, comma, minus 7 lambda plus 2, then lambda. We found these solutions, direction ratios through our equation, and similarly we can find direction ratios of our line AB, which is, so our direction ratio of line AB is 10 lambda minus 5 minus 7 lambda plus 3 and lambda minus 4, and also direction ratios of given line is 10 minus 7 1. We'll multiply 10 lambda minus 5 by 10, and similarly minus 7 lambda plus 3 by minus 7 and lambda minus 4 by 1, and we'll equate this term to 0. On solving this, we'll get lambda value as 1 divided by 2. So our point B is 2, minus 3 by 2, 1 by 2, and length of AB is 5 divided by root 2. So our answer B, or option 2, is the correct answer. Thank you.